is a maker of drugs for respiratory allergies called Stallergenes. That stock is already up 26% last year, so how much more is there to run? Why buy that stock now?
I think there's still some room to go with Stallergenes. They are, in my opinion, on the cusp of winning FDA approval for their key drug. It has been already approved by a starting committee, but not official FDA approval yet, and I think that that is going to happen. They are in the respiratory allergy pharmaceutical market, which is about a $2 billion market within the larger $20 billion respiratory market that's served by things like Claritin. So if you have a severe case of allergies, your options now in the U.S. are injectables, and in Europe they have sublingual solutions. So things you just put under the tongue, you don't have to go to a doctor to self-medicate. And that's the drug which is on the verge of approval here in the U.S. So I think that they're entering a whole new stage of their development. This is a 6-year-old company that produces 20% operating margin, so it's a very nice, profitable business. It's not a biotech. But it trades at about roughly half the multiple of the global #1 in this area. Stallergenes is the global #2.
So you still see it as a value play?
I still think on a relative basis there's quite a bit of value.
Another French stock you own, Virbac. It's a maker of drugs for animals. Now, this stock has gotten off to a jackrabbit start this year, up 9%, and it's trading at a high 21 times forward earnings. So I'm wondering where you see the value there.
Yeah, well, Stallergenes Virbac had a rough year last year. It has come up a bit this year. We look at companies on a pre-tax earnings basis, sort of a cap rate, if you will, pre-tax earnings yield, and on that basis, it's at about an 8% pre-tax earnings yield, so not enormously expensive. This is a tremendous business, which traditionally is very highly valued. When you see the large cap pharma companies spin off their animal pharma businesses, they often get very big valuations, or M&A happens at big valuations.